Hi, hello everyone. This is Ujwala from Inside Print Communications. We are here at Drupa 2024 at Scodix booth with Mr. Bawa. So we'll have a small conversation with him around Scodix and Scodix technology. Hi, Mr. Bawa. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, everyone.
Okay, so we wanted to ask you a few questions. What's new at Scodix in this Drupa 2024?
This we are launching a very innovative technology with two models. We are launch is B2 and B1 size, which is Scodix 2500 SST and 6500 SST. Both models comes with the B2, B2 plus size, and we are having a B1 size with 16 new applications we have launched in Drupa.
Oh, that's great. So there is a lot of buzz around SHD. So would you like to tell more about what is SHD?
SST stands for the Smart High Definition, which we have one of the innovative technology launched by Scodix. What happens that when you have to do the very small fonts and very small thin lines, it is very difficult to reproduce on that. Now we have introduced a technology where through smart high definition in a PDF file or in a job you are having very fine lines, or in the same job you are having very big small solid areas, in which the PDF will automatically decide where what droplet has to be drop on that. Suppose you are having a small lines in that, it will automatically drop the single droplet, and where you have the thick lines and solid lines, it will do the double droplet system. So that means you have the multiple droplets system in the SSD technology. The benefit of this technology is that number one, you having the fine qualities, you can do it even 5 point, 4 point, you can able to do that. Second thing, the price per sheet is quite lower, which means if in normal we are doing about 30 micron in normal process of this one, when we use the SSD technology, we are doing about 30 to 40% less on that. So that is one of the innovative technology which we have launched especially for the packaging and the commercial segment.
That's great. So you just mentioned that we can do 16 applications in new presses. So what all applications we can do?
Yeah, we have launched number one is about the Scodix MLE, multi-layer embellishment. That means that you can do uncoated, now on uncoated paper through multiple layers, you can do the embellishment on that. Second technology we are having is the SSD technology, that we already told about the smart high definition technology. Third, we use for a transparent, any transparent sheet you can do. Number four will be Scodix metallic, on any metallic paper you can do on that. Then you can do on glitter, then do braille. Then we have another technology, crystal, where you can do about 1000 micron with the multi-passes. Then you can do the spot. That means if you want to do the UV varnish about 5 micron, 10 micron, you can able to achieve this one, and 1 kg can do about 10,000 sheets this one. Then you have glitter. Then we are having the Scodix Sense, Scodix Spot. So all can be done through one machine, one technology, and 16 applications.